Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City right now on the Atlantic City Expressway heading towards the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I got a comped room there tonight on the in the Havana Tower. Haven't been there in about 2 years. I've been to the Tropicana, but not in the Havana Tower for about 2 years. My game plan here today is to park in the Havana Tower parking area. Just checking in on the kiosks. They have kiosks right there by the parking area, and the tower is also right there, so it should be pretty easy. Just gonna park, get my keys, and head upstairs and take you guys along. I'll give you a tour of the Havana Tower at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. Come along with me, won't ya? Alrighty, so like I said, I'm in the Havana Tower garage. There are these elevators here that'll take me right towards the mezzanine level, which is at the base of the elevator lobby of the Havana Tower. And there are some check-in kiosks there as well. Note that it says I'm on floor 53 in room 5309. We'll discuss that more later. So I have a king size, no smoking room, and apparently it's on the 53rd floor. The kiosk, like I said, right next to the tower elevators. So we're going to head over to the elevators right now, just a couple feet away, and we'll head up to the room and see what it looks like. Come along with me. Now the Havana Tower is pretty far from the boardwalk and the beach, but if you're staying at the Havana Tower and you know you're staying at the Havana Tower, I suggest you just park at the Havana Tower parking garage, and it took me 2 minutes to check in and get up to the 53rd floor. Let's go check out the room.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I've mentioned in other videos here on the New York channel, I love how Caesars tries to fool people with the floor numbers on their buildings, not just here at the Tropicana, not just here in Atlantic City, but also in Las Vegas. They would have me believe that I was on the 53rd floor. Even the elevator, the numbers go up to 53. My room number is 5309, I believe. That would make this parking garage behind me about 50 stories high, which would make it a very high parking garage.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.